Planning to visit Canada? Even minor offenses can stop you at the border. If you're planning to travel to Canada this holiday season, there's something very important you need to know. Even minor offenses on your record can get you stopped at the border. Many travelers assume that only serious crimes matter for Canadian entry. But that's not always the case. Let's break this down simply. How Canada decides who is inadmissible. Canada doesn't look at how serious an offense felt in your home country. Immigration officers compare your offense to Canadian law. If your act was a crime where it happened and has an equivalent offense under Canadian law, you can be found criminally inadmissible, even if the offense happened years ago. What's important to note is that you don't even need a conviction. Being charged, having a pending case, or admitting to the act itself can be enough to raise red flags at the border. Criminality versus serious criminality. Canada classifies offenses into two broad categories. Criminality can include one offense that would be indictable in Canada, or two separate minor or summary offenses. Serious criminality applies when the offense could carry a sentence of 10 years or more in Canada, or you were sentenced to more than 6 months in prison. For immigration purposes, even hybrid offenses are treated as serious, regardless of how they were charged. Minor offenses that can still stop you here's where many travelers are caught off guard. Examples of offenses that can still make you inadmissible include theft or fraud under $5,000, vandalism or property damage, failure to appear in court, causing a disturbance while intoxicated, trespassing at night, threatening assault, taking a vehicle without consent, certain indecent acts in public. Even animal cruelty charges or repeated minor incidents can cause issues. One minor offense may be okay, but two minor offenses or one hybrid offense can lead to denial of entry. Can you still enter Canada? Yes, in some cases. There are three main ways to overcome criminal inadmissibility. Deemed rehabilitation. If enough time has passed since you completed your sentence, you may automatically qualify, usually 5 years for summary offenses, 10 years for indictable offenses. Temporary resident permit, TRP. This allows short-term entry if you have a strong reason, like a family emergency or important event. Approval is discretionary and not guaranteed. Criminal rehabilitation. This is a permanent solution, but processing can take over a year, so it's not ideal for last-minute travel. Final advice before you travel. If you have any criminal history, even something that seems minor, it's strongly recommended to get your admissibility assessed before you reach the Canadian border. Many travelers are turned away simply because they didn't check in advance. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.